welcome back to my channel, Jasith Fun with Learning. Today we will have fun learning second step of 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Shall we start? Okay. Hope you watched my previous videos on basics and first step of 2x2 Rubik's Cube. If not, I suggest you to watch them before you watch this video. We solved first layer in our previous video. Now turn the cube upside down to bring the second layer on top. This is where we should arrive at today. All yellows on top. Without matching colors on sides. To do this, if there is any yellow already on top, keep to your up, left, bottom corner. If there is no yellow on top, it is also fine. And now follow this formula. Repeat the same formula until you get all yellows on top. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise twice, right anti-clockwise. I am repeating it. I am bringing this yellow to up, left, bottom corner. I am repeating the formula. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up twice clockwise and right anti-clockwise. Yes, we got it. I gave the formulas in the description below for your reference. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and stay in touch to learn third step in my upcoming video. Thank you. Bye bye.